Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not working, you should just go to Pinterest here and we click. After that, in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest and you will enter here. Then in this page we go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here in this page, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.